My name is Matt, and I'm a sophomore at Whitworth. I'm an environmental science major, and I absolutely love hammocking. All right, so we got our Whitworth hammock here. Open them up, and then we're gonna get one of our ropes. And then if you're doing this with a tree, you just tie it kind of around and then do one more loop. So you have this, but luckily we have these really nice Whitworth poles. So we're just gonna put it through like this, and then we're gonna do, you've got two ends right here. You need to create something so it's gonna like stay and not slide around like this. And then you've got both ends. You're gonna go under and then just straight back through. Just pull this guy, and then exact same thing. Gonna go under. That's gonna go be this little guy to go through. And through. Usually you want a little bit more slack than this. Maybe. And just kind of pull those guys tight. And then you're just gonna keep pulling on this guy until it gets nice and tight. And then with these Whitworth straps, it seems like it's about this long. If you get a little about that much. So you're probably gonna want to tie it like about here if this is what you're tying, like about this distance. So for this next part, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a bowline knot. So you can look this up as well. It's very easy to do, honestly. So you've got our rope here, and you kind of just pick a decision on where you want to tie it based on kind of the distance between the two things you're tying. So you're gonna take this guy around and you're gonna make a loop like this, so then he keeps going this way. And then take your end right here, put him through, and then you're gonna go under. So under this right here. And then when you go back through, the important thing is you have two loops. You have the loop you just went through, and you have this other one. You're gonna go through the other one this time. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna give you this loop as a little carabiner loop. So then you got a guy a little here. You wanna make sure you pull this really nice and tight, and you're gonna kind of pull it pretty tight to your fingers, and that's gonna allow it. And then if you just keep pulling this, eventually you'll lose this loop because you can just keep tightening it. So you want to put your carabiner in first, and then kind of just tighten it around that carabiner like this, and that's one side. So then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Alright, and then you get eyeliner and just poke it. It's not collapse a little bit low, but oh, wonderful, so nice. Rain and